generation Astra. One world premiere is not enough. Please welcome the new Opel CEO, Mr. Uwe Hochgeschurz.
In 2024, our complete portfolio will be electrified.
German, approachable, it is a great car.
Bold and pure design.
Jürgen Klopp.
Hello. It's incredible what the effort is behind a car. Each little step, each material they use.
Greenovation. Green and innovation.
The Opel logo has never matched the Astra so well.
Now we would like to show you two more new cars that proudly wear this family face. New generation Astra, new Astra E, new Grandland, and as we now saw, new Manta E. That is what I call breaking news. Amazing.